Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing the IKE um, TC-424P Pbx. I'll be unboxing it and showing you some of the functions that it came with and some of the accessories inside the PBX. So this is actually what it looks like inside, and then this is actually a 24 port PBX. I am using it to replace another system port that I used to have, and you can see the model here is TC-424P. It is a 24 port PBX, and it comes with, I think I'll be using a power surge with it just to protect it from power fluctuation, and then you have your regular intercom phones that will be attached to them. I have several of them. Like I said earlier, I have a 24 port. I want to extend it to 24, so that is why I had to get a 24 port IKE. It's pretty cheap in the market right now, and then it serves quite it serves the purpose for which this is meant for. So this is what it looks like. The power is out, and this is the main PBX itself. So this is what it looks like. It is lighter than the older one there. I will show you the older one that we use. That is a system port, but far heavier than this. So you can see we have the first 4 port is a CO port, while the remaining ports are all 24 port. So you just count it that way, but just remember that the first 4 ports you see, it is a CO line port. If you plug a regular intercom phone to it, it might not go through. And then this is the manual I came with. So for the purpose of this video, I'll just do complete just unboxing it and then some of the functions that you can use it for. Another video you can just check in my description. There's another video on how to set it up, for the first use. If you're using it for the first time, it might not work directly. You need to set it up. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. I just want to make this as short as possible for those who already know how to set it up. But if you don't know how to set it up, there's another video I'm going to do. So this is the power source that I'm going to plug directly to the power cable that will be attached to it. I won't plug it directly to the PBX so that it doesn't damage it. Now on the manual, there is a setup area there that shows you how to set it up for first use. It's pretty tricky, which is the reason why I'm going to be doing another video on how to set it up. So this is what the old PBX looks like. You can see this is generic. It has no brand name on it, just PBX, which stands for PBX itself. And then this is the system port telephone switch. It is heavy, far heavier than this. And then this is a 24 port. It is lighter, and it serves the purpose for which it is meant for. Now for the earlier one I showed you, that one, you can see the way this looks. This is what this one looks like inside. You can see it is far lighter than the other one, and then serves the purpose for which it is meant for. Just like I said earlier, I'm going to be placing this side by side with the other one so that you see the difference. Technology has been able to grow over time, and then we have better capacitors and then better internal component that doesn't burn easily. For the other switch, I noticed that after some time some of the ports doesn't work. After some time some of the port burns, and then you have to replace a couple of capacitors and some component inside. But for this uses a more recent technology, so you don't really have to worry about replacing it every now and then, so far as you just protect the main power that is going into the PBX. Now, so this is just it for this video. I just want to unbox it so that you see what is inside and then how it works. There's another video I am going to be showing you how to set it up. So thank you. I'll see you some other time.